Connective tissue. Connective tissues are most abundant and widely distributed in the body of complex animals. They are named connective tissues because of their special function of linking and supporting other tissues or organs of the body. They range from soft connective tissues to specialized type which include cartilage, bone, adipose and blood. In all connective tissues except blood, the cells secrete fibers of structural proteins called collagen or elastin. The fibers provide strength, elasticity and flexibility to the tissue. These cells also secrete modified polysaccharides which accumulate between cells and fibers and act as matrix, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस बोलते हैं. Connective tissues are classified into three types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, specialized connective tissue. Loose connective tissue has cells and fibers loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground matrix, for example, areolar tissue present beneath the skin. Often it serves as a support framework for epithelium. It contains fibroblasts, cells that produce and secrete fibers. Fibroblasts कौन से cells होते हैं जो produce करते हैं और secrete मतलब क्या, synthesize करते हैं. Macrophages and mast cells. Adipose tissue is another type of loose connective tissue located mainly beneath the skin. The cells of this tissue are specialized to store fats. Adipose tissue जिसका हमें functions पता है कि वो फैट्स को स्टोर करते हैं. द एक्सेस ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स विच आर नॉट यूज्ड इमीडिएटली आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू फैट्स एंड आर स्टोर्ड इन दिस टिश्यू. जितना रिक्वायर्ड होता है उतना फैट यूज़ हो जाता है और जितना स्टोर करने की ज़रूरत होती है वो इसी टिश्यू में स्टोर होता है. Fibers and fibroblasts are compactly packed in the dense connective tissues. Orientation of fibers show a regular or irregular pattern and are called dense regular and dense irregular tissues. In the dense regular connective tissues, the collagen fibers are present in rows between many parallel bundles of fibers. Tendons which attach skeletal muscles to bones and ligaments which attach one bone to another. ठीक है, तो इसकी ट्रिक क्या होती है? टेंडन्स विच अटैच मसल्स टू बोन्स, टी एम बी याद रखेंगे, और लिगामेंट्स के लिए LBB, मतलब कि लिगामेंट्स बोन टू बोन ऑफ दिस टिश्यू. Dense irregular connective tissue has fibroblasts and many fibers, mostly collagen, that are orientated differently. This tissue is present in the skin, cartilage, bones and blood are various types of specialized connective tissue. The intercellular material of cartilage is solid and pliable and resist compression. मतलब solid है, वो resist कर सकता है compress होने से. ठीक है. Cells of this tissue, chondrocytes, are enclosed in small cavities within the matrix secreted by them. Most of the cartilages in vertebrate embryos are replaced by bones in adults. Cartilage is present in the tip of nose, outer ear joints, between adjacent bones of the vertebral column, limbs and hands in adults. Bones have a hard and non-pliable ground substance rich in calcium solids and collagen fibers, which give bones its strength. It is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. Bones support and protect softer tissues and organs. The bone cells, osteocytes, are present in the space called lacunae. Limb bones such as the long bones of the legs serve weight bearing functions. ठीक है, बोन्स क्या, हड्डियाँ हमारी क्या करती है, मेनली हमारा वेट है वो बेयर करती हैं, मतलब कि सहती है ना. हम अपने पैर की हड्डियों पे तो खड़े होते हैं. They also interact with skeletal muscles attached to them to bring about movements. The bone marrow in some bones is the site of production of blood cells. बोन मैरो किसी बोन्स में साइट होती है फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ब्लड सेल्स. और यहाँ पे कौन से ब्लड सेल्स की बात हो रही है? मेनली RBCs की. ब्लड इज़ अ फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू कंटेनिंग प्लाज्मा, RBCs, रेड ब्लड सेल्स, वाइट ब्लड सेल्स, WBC and platelets. It is a main circulating fluid that helps in the transport of various substances. You will learn more about blood in chapters 17 and 18. Thank you.